नाम है शमाइम
और मेरा नाम है सनिया एंड टुगेदर वी आर
सीन एंड शीन। तो
आज की हमारी वीडियो है कुकी के बारे में। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कुकी इज नाउ 6 months ओल्ड और हमने सोचा क्यों ना, बहुत देर हो गई कि हमने कुकी की अपडेट नहीं बताई कि व्हाट इज शी ईटिंग नाउ, हाउ मेनी ट्रिक्स शी हैव लर्न एंड एवरीथिंग। सो अब हमारा सबसे पहला चेंज था फ्रॉम 3 to 6 months खाना। तो खाना आपको बताएगी शमाइम।
यस, तो अब हम एज यू नो कि पहले हम इसको देते थे सॉरी पहले हम इसको देते थे हैप्पी डॉग का खाना विच वाज हर ड्राई फूड और इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ पाउडर्ड फॉर्म। बट देन और साथ में हम इसको अंडा भी देते थे। बट देन द वेट सेड दैट नाउ शी इज ग्रोइंग अप। और पहली बात है बिकॉज शी हैज़ फर, तो डबल कोटेड डॉग्स की यू रियली नीड टू बी केयरफुल कि हम उनको वो खाना दें जो उनकी फर के लिए भी अच्छा हो। तो नाउ वी आर गिविंग हर, कैन यू पास मी दैट? नाउ वी आर गिविंग हर कार्नी लव का सैल्मन एंड टर्की एंड दिस इज अ बिग वन एंड दिस इज पिलक्रॉन का है लैम्ब एंड राइस आई थिंक। यस, दिस इज लैम्ब फ्लेवर है। अब आई विल टेल यू हम दो क्यों दे रहे हैं इसको। पहली बात तो ये, दिस इज एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द कवर, इट्स अ वेरी हाई एंड फूड, ठीक है, तो इट्स अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव एंड दिस इज समवट ऑन अ मोर रीजनेबल उस पे स्केल पे, बिकॉज हम स्टूडेंट हैं तो वी कैन रियली अफोर्ड गिविंग हर कार्नी लव ऑल द टाइम। एंड प्लस ये बहुत पिकी है तो वी कैन ऑल्टरनेट द फ्लेवर्स लाइक फिश एंड टर्की एंड लैम एंड राइस। तो इट्स बिन रियली गुड। ये वो है टिपिकल डॉग ग्रैनुल्स, ये अभी खोली नहीं है मैंने। तो
बेसिकली कैनल है,
हाँ, जैसे किबल होता है, हाँ जैसे किबल होता है नॉर्मल डॉग्स का, ये वही है। एंड अब हम इसको गीला करके बहुत कम खाना देते हैं एंड हम इसको एग भी नहीं दे रहे, तो हम एक्सेस घर के खाने में से इसको बहुत कम खाना दे रहे हैं बिकॉज शी इज पिकी। तो इस पे लगाने में बहुत मेहनत लगी, तो नाउ वी मेकिंग श्योर कि अभी अपना खाना ही खाए बिकॉज ग्रोइंग एज में जो इसमें मिलेगा इसको, ऑल द ऑयल्स एंड द कैल्शियम एंड एवरीथिंग, वो हम अपने खाने से इसको नहीं दे पाएंगे। तो अब
ओके सो अब हम आपको बताएंगे कि ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स। सो शी स्टार्ट एट पहले भी she started listening, she's used to her name now and she sits when you say to her, she gives a paw, she stands and the best part right now is she is fully potty trained. Right now she is fully potty trained. हम आपको लिंक हम आपके दरमियान में वो शेयर करेंगे क्लिप। So now she just goes and pee outside and poop outside. She doesn't do at all outside. I mean, हमारी back balcony, not front balcony. So we are still making her used to control her pee, and now she controls almost 3 to 4 hours. Or usually at night because she's sleeping with us in bedroom, so she controls up to 6 to 7 hours, and around after 12 she wakes up in the morning at night. Nine. So it is better now. She's fully potty trained. I can say about 90%, and she starts giving her paws. She starts listening everyone, because training में सबसे बड़ा point होता है कि the one who is training खाली उसकी ना सुने, even the people next to us, because right now she has not. I am not her only owner. It's Shimaim and Amna also. So it's better for her to learn tricks from all three of us rather than a one owner. तो अब ये कि she is listening to everyone. और ट्रिक्स की हम इसको क्लिप आपके साथ शेयर कर देंगे दरमियान में, and I hope we are still making her learn all the other stuffs like to roll over or to jump on the street, jump on the sofas or everything. अभी still she is scared कि सोफे से इसको जंप नीचे करते हुए या ऊपर चढ़ते हुए डर लगता है। तो ये हमारी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स। तो अब शमाइम आपको बताएगी within this month we had 2 emergencies. We had to rush to the vet because that's the thing that Shemaim is going to share.
Yes. Before I tell you, can you show them?
Okay. So I would like to show you And we're gonna put a picture also. So that's her cookie locket. And I have my mobile number at the back. So basically, we carved.
Yes, they carved it.
They
Lasers se.
carved with the laser. So there is a name tag on it and my mobile number in case Allah na kare she's lost somewhere, so people can call me and I can get to her. So that मेरा mobile number है और cookie का नाम है on the random locket. So it's basically
You can remove it and put it on
other lockets. So it's just this is such cute. It's metallic matte pink color. So this is the thing.
And now about the mishaps. Basically, दोनों cases में somewhat गलती हमारी थी. We're not gonna sit here and tell you guys that we're the best dog owners in the world. We're still learning. We did own dogs before, but can you stop, please? Come here. Yes. We did own dogs before, but we were very young back then, so we did not exactly know. तो कहीं ना कहीं कहते हैं cookie is our science experiment. तो अब ये हुआ था पहले दफ़ा जब we had to rush to the hospital, it was very bad. It was so bad that we thought that she might not even survive. अब मैं scene ये है कि मैं अपने I was standing on a chair and changing my light bulb, and while I was standing on it, I knocked over a bottle of olive oil. But it's not just natural olive oil, it's
Synthetic.
Cosmetic.
Cosmetic. It's not a normal olive oil that you use for
Yes, it's for
cooking. It's for your skin and hair.
Yeah, तो उसमें और भी there were so many more chemicals that went into it. So while I was changing the bulb, I couldn't even come down because it was dark and I couldn't see. Cookie was down there and she licked it. And I think she licked in a lot of big amounts because after just like 2 hours, she started doing severe loose diarrhea and she started throwing up everything she ate. और इसकी आंखें चढ़ गई और बस ये हाल हो गया कि we thought that she's gone. We couldn't get her to stop throwing up so much. I mean, पहले भी इसको diarrhea लगा but she never threw up before.
And it was Saturday night, so it was very difficult to even contact any other vet. So we had to rush to the animal hospital on Sunday morning. So when we went there, she had a fever, but then they got some. Then they gave her some antibiotics and
5 injections.
5 injections.
5.
So it was difficult, but then thank God after 2 days she was already fine.
Yes,
and
they did 3 days worth of antibiotics injections, not orally, because it's more effective. Like if you give them orally, then you have to give them every single day for like a whole week. But injections में ये होता है कि 3 दफा करके वो सही कर देते हैं.
And now Cookie is fine.
Yes, thank God.
And the other mishap was not such a big of a deal, and we thought that she had a piece of glass. She ate a piece of glass.
Yeah. वो those small bottles that
It was vitamin C ampule.
This was her fault. The first one was my fault. The second one
was my fault that I had vitamin C ampule. I was using it, and I threw in a dustbin, and she went inside the dustbin and she started chewing on that ampule. So we thought that maybe उसने glass खा लिया और या कुछ. So we just had to rush to the hospital, and we got her X-ray done, and thank God there was nothing inside of her. So yeah.
अगर आपको ज़रा सा भी शक हो कि आपके डॉग ने ग्लास खाया है, please run to the vet immediately, because एक दफ़ा they start vomiting blood or pooping blood, then you just have
means that they're internally they're all damaged.
Yeah, so you have to put your dog down.
So we just had to rush to the vet for her X-ray.
Now we're gonna talk about how many vaccines.
So I have her vaccine card. Sorry. I have a vaccine card, okay? And basically it's gonna help us to even travel with it, because we need if we're gonna travel with Cookie somewhere.
This is the first page. इस पे सारा नाम, breed, date of birth and everything. And keep talking.
Yeah, and so we are done with her first 4 vaccines, and I would like to read which we are done. So हमारी पहली जो 4 vaccines थी ना, there were 2 like she had to eat them, or other 2 were injections. और recently she had a coronavirus vaccine. Guys, हमने अभी तक coronavirus की vaccine नहीं की, and Cookie is already done with her coronavirus vaccine. So
Flea treatment.
now she is done with her flea treatment, so parasite का कोई हमें मसला issue नहीं है, and we gave her on 25th of January this year. So she's done, and now I think 2 more parasite vaccine is left. So ये हमारा सारा card है, और on 25th of January her weight was 2.9 kgs, and now we checked, it was 3.4. So due to the having dry food, because she wasn't gaining weight that much when she was having her wet food or ya boil egg ya kuch bhi, she started gaining weight, and even if you can see, I'll show you that her fur is getting thicker and also longer. You can see in the sideways that her fur is getting thicker and longer. So I feel like because the salmon and turkey, the Carney Love food, is really good for her fur and skin. Yeah, and we got some new treats for her, and it's her basically 6-month-old treat. They
It's
are
doggy biscuits.
doggy biscuits, and they're so cute. Like yeah, and she loves them, and they're so good because it has also 10% of protein inside. So yeah, she loves it, and we're gonna share a clip of Trix. So we just got the doggy biscuits, and we got this a Mr. Pound puppy, and it is like this, and she loves to play with it, and it's like, and it walks. She loves this, and she thinks that is another dog, so I think उसका दोस्त मिल गया है.
अब वो इस एज में आ रही है that she can sense that we live in a place जहाँ पे सड़क पे कुत्ते ही कुत्ते हैं, तो she can sense that there's so many dogs outside, and she wants to be around dogs now, you know. And somehow we still argue to the point that I know we bought Cookie with money, but we're really hoping that we can get a new friend for her.
Yeah,
But-
we're trying right now. We're trying to adopt one dog, but being a student, especially in Cyprus, it's way more difficult because यहाँ ज़्यादातर लोग क्या करते हैं, especially students, they're gonna adopt or buy a dog, keep them for 4 to 5 years, और फिर जब वो वहाँ से निकलने लगते हैं, and they just leave on the streets and go. So basically, if you're planning to adopt from a dog shelter, pet shelter basically, तो वो we need to have a resident permit to adopt a
So guys,
animal.
just pray for us that we can find a friend for Cookie soon.
Yeah.
And I think that's it for today's video.
Yeah, and inshallah we'll try to make our videos as constant as possible, and please consistent. Okay. अच्छा क्लिप काट दिया. Blooper मिल गया हमें, ठीक है? चल फिर बोले यही लाइन. We'll try to make our videos as consistent as possible, और क्या कहते हैं, please don't forget to follow, like, comment and subscribe. और बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो ऐसी वीडियोस देखते हैं और सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लिया करें. अभी भी हमारी ज़्यादातर रेशियो अनसब्सक्राइब की ज़्यादा है और सब्सक्राइब वालों की कम, तो प्लीज़ जो लोग देखते हैं और वो खुदारा सब्सक्राइब भी कर दिया करें. और don't forget to follow us on our Instagram account, Seen and Sheen, for recent updates. So see you all next time.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Please लेके जाते हैं. Allah Hafiz.
Stand. Good girl. Paw. Good girl. Stand. Stand. Good girl.